11th January is here, and it's not just another day on the calendar. It's opening the 111 manifestation portal. Yes, the first energetic manifestation portal of this year. And are you all ready for it? I'm sure you are. And in this video, I'll give you complete clarity what this 111 manifestation portal is all about, what you can do on 11th January to align your energy, to speed up your manifestation, and how this first manifestation portal of the year is so much important for everyone who is manifesting. And it's not about all your goals and dreams, but it's about something more fundamental than that. So that's why stay tuned in this video, because I'll give you complete clarity, step by step process, and I'll guide you what you must do on 11 January. So whether you are watching this video before 11 Jan or on 11 Jan, this video is particularly for you to take your energy to next level and take most of it. Are you all excited for it? If you are waiting for this video, or if you are thinking about me making this video and give you complete clarity, also let me know in the comment that yes, you are waiting for it. Now, before we start, if you are new here in my channel, I am Ajay Mishra, India's leading manifestation coach, and I teach you here all the powerful tools, techniques, process, portals, everything to help you and guide you in your manifestation journey. So if you are new here, welcome to our channel, welcome to our manifestation tribe. Now, many of you have done the 11/11 portal on 11 November. When 11/11 portal aligns you with your manifestation, the 111 manifestation portal, which is happening on 11th January, 11th 1 and then January 1. So 111 manifestation portal directs you towards your manifestation. Yes, whenever we are manifesting anything, there is this goals, desires, dreams, vision board, everything we have. But at the core of anything and everything, it's you at the core. And that's the most important thing. And that is why even it says law of attraction is not about what you are attracting. It's about who you are. And even it is rephrased, you are not attracting what you want, but you are manifesting who you are. So what is that are? How can you be that person that you can manifest everything? And that is the seed of this 111 manifestation portal. So that is why this 111 manifestation portal is not about what you are manifesting this year, but it's about who you should become, who you can become, and who you are becoming, so that all the manifestation is possible for you. All the manifestation are going to happen for you. Are you all excited? If you are excited just listening this, also let me know in the comment. So before we discuss the process, let me tell you why this 111 manifestation portal is so powerful. When we say 111, it's 11 and 1. So there are two set of number is there. The number 1 always represent you. You, the beginning, at the core of everything. The number 1 in all spiritual dynamics, in all spiritual science, it always represents you as an individual. Because why? Like I always say, the law of attraction is the law of you. Means as long as you are existing in your life, you are creating everything. Same is for me. In my life, I am at the center of my universe and creating, projecting, reflecting, manifesting, attracting, radiating everything I am doing. So first, that number 1 represents you. And then number 11 represents your alignment with your goals, your alignment with your desires. It's the vision that you are creating, that alignment. So when 1 and 11 comes together, that's where you create the direction towards from within to create without. From 1 to going to the 11 means creating everything and aligning everything. That is why I call the 111 manifestation portal also as the I am activation portal. All of you know about the power of I am. How you declare yourself, who you are, that's what you create. And this portal is about activating that power of I am. So in this process of 111 manifestation ritual that you are going to do on 11th January is you are going to activate the power of I am. So if you are excited, write in the comment, I am activation. I am activation. Yes. Now, before I give you the process, why it's so important? Like so many of you must be writing your goals, creating vision board, going from wishes and dreams years after years. But you have some or many manifestation, and then there are many goals and wishes are not coming true. Why they are not coming true? Because that's where your I am is not aligned. And especially those of you who are continuously struggling and finding challenges in your life, your I am is not yet clear, your self identity is not yet powerful, and your self identity that I am is not yet aligned with your bigger vision. So that is what we are going to define. So next step is how you are going to do the 111 manifestation ritual on 11 January. How can you do the I am activation ritual? Before you start the ritual, here is the thing. Some of you must be thinking, what is the best time to do it? Of course, you can do it within the 24-hour of the 11 January day. Anytime you can do it, the whole day aligned for you. Preferably those who have the timing and who have the convenience, you can do it at 11 minutes past 1 p.m. You can set a reminder in your phone for 1 p.m. so that you can get ready. If you don't have, like most of you maybe at work or traveling or somewhere, so then if you cannot do it at that particular time, you can do it at any time during the day to take advantage of it. So when you sit for this process, what you are going to do, we are going to do a 3-step ritual. But before doing this 3-step ritual, there is some preparatory process. Have a journal with you. You can have a green or blue pen with you. And make sure you are in a place where no one can disturb you for at least 10 minutes. This ritual won't take long time. 10-15 minutes is good enough. And as you sit, what you have to do, start with this breathing. Close your eyes for a moment, keep straight, and inhale and exhale couple of times. Like this. You can do it 5 times, 11 times. And within that moment, have this thought of releasing any kind of thoughts you are holding on to. Because remember, this is the first portal of the year. So you have to let go of the pressure. You have to let go of the negativity. And in this ritual, we are going to focus on the core process. We are not writing hundreds of goals. We are not setting 10 goals. We are not creating pressure. So that is why it's very, very important for you to release any kind of stress, anxiety, past pressure, anything. Let's suppose even if you have been trying to manifest something for many years and it's not coming, don't think that, oh, in 2026 it is going to possible or not. We have to release all those things. That is why it's important to breathe in, breathe out couple of times and tell yourself that I am releasing the past. I have released the past and I am free from it. And now I am ready. And then we start with the step 1. While being in a calm state, close your eyes and tell this to yourself. In 2026, I choose to become a person who is. In 2026, I choose to become a person who is and dash. And that's where whatever comes to you as the very first thought. In 2026, I choose to become a person who is. And that self, that I am we are creating. So think about it. If nothing is coming, keep saying it couple of times. In 2026, I choose to become the person who is. Let me give you some example. If you are going through a lot of stress and anxiety and all, you may think about being calm and confident. If you are struggling with a lot of money, maybe you can think about being abundant and aligned. If you are struggling a lot of with procrastination, laziness, all these things, this may not be directly related to your goal, but these are the thing like your inner qualities which is holding you back. So you will say that I am becoming absolutely aligned and disciplined this year. If you're struggling with health issues and movement, so you can set being perfectly healthy and agile or healthy and fit. If you're struggling with relationship, and that's where somehow you are feeling. In 2026, I choose to become a person who is being loved and loving happily. So, whatever core thing that comes to you, and wherever this will comes from within, like somewhere deep down, you are thinking that something is missing and which is holding you back. Whatever comes to you, think about it, feel it for a moment, let it come automatically. That's the step one. If you will need 4, 5, 10 minutes to think about it, like who I choose to be this year, for whom, like everything will be aligned. And then once you have that clarity, that 2, 3 keywords, write it in your journal. Open your eyes and write it in your journal. In 2026, I choose to become a person who is, write those words, calm and confident, abundant and aligned, peaceful and positive, healthy and fit, like that. Write it. And then we'll go to step 2. Now you got the clarity who you choose to be, because this person has the power to receive and manifest everything. That is why in this energetic portal is less about many goals. It's about who you are becoming, for whom all these major manifestation or your bigger goals are automatically be coming towards you. So then once you write this statement, then you do the step 2. Now you are not going to write this statement. This is who you are becoming this year. So now you are going to activate the I am process. Whatever those keywords you write, now you are going to write it HIM. I am calm and confident. H, if you are stepping into this step, H, if you are stepping into that being, like I said, manifestation is not about what you are attracting, but who you are. You don't attract what you want, you attract what you are, who you are. So now you are saying that I am calm and confident, or I am abundant and aligned, or I am focused and disciplined. Now in step 2, you are stepping into the I am stage and you are going to write it 21 times in your journal. 21 times. Write it. The same statement again and again and again. And while writing, keep saying it loud. Keep saying it loud. I am calm and confident. 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 I am abundant and aligned. I am abundant and aligned. So write it 21 times, so that the repetition will go into your subconscious and you start actually feeling like you are becoming that person. And that's step 2. And when you write it, be there for a moment when you're done writing 21 times and feel that moment for a while. Feel it. Close your eyes and feel it for a moment. Let that vibration feel in your heart. Let that vibration vibrate inside your head. Feel it. And I'm sure all of you are feeling that energy when I'm even teaching you this. And then, step 3, just choose one intention. One of your most important intention. Not 10 goals, not 5 goals, not vision board, nothing at this point in this ritual. Just choose that one intention that you so much want to experience this year. Once again, write in your journal, my intention for 2026 is dash. My intention for 2026 is, some example, my intention for 2026 is, I intend to live in happiness, joy, health and prosperity. I intend to live a life filled with success. So it doesn't have to be particularly about any goal. It's about the idea that you intend to live this year, experience this year, so that it is aligned with your I am energy. So who that I am person, how that I am person should live and experience this year. And that's what you are writing, that intention. My intention for 2026 is write that statement and then keep it in front of you and just close your eyes and feel that you are living. Just think about it for a moment that you are living that life. You don't have to force anything. You don't have to do any detailed visualization. You don't have to do it like any affirmation. You don't have to force. Just feel. Or if you take some time to cultivate this idea, it's absolutely okay. Sit there and let whatever flow and write it. This is your ritual, because many a times I have seen people over last 15, 18 years mentoring, guiding, coaching people write their goals, people write their intention, people write their wishes, but they never step it into that state of being I am, so that who is that person they become, so that every manifestation would be easy for them. And every year we can become better and better and better. And those of you who have been watching me from 2016, 17, 18, you know that every year your mentor is stepping into a new level. And this year we are going to step into another great level for sure. And so those of you who are watching since long, let me know since when you are watching this channel, since when you are watching my videos, when did you join? And right now, I want you to go to the comment and let the universe know and let me know and write, in 2026, I choose to become the person who is. Or just simply write, I am whoever you are becoming, calm and confident, peaceful and joyful, healthy and fit, loved and loving, whatever it is, successful, leader, anything, write that statement and set the reminder in your phone so that you can go and do this practice on 11 Jan. Share this video with people around you, family members, friends, colleagues who believe in manifestation and who wants to create 2026 very powerfully. Do this ritual together. And you can also check the link in the description and join our free WhatsApp community, where we'll give you this reminder, key pointers once again on 11 January, so that you won't miss it. And we keep sharing so many resources with all of you and keep inviting to many portals and process and workshops like this for all of you. And also recently, I have conducted a 3-day live workshop, New Year, New You for 2026, where I took all the participants to do much deeper ritual on activating their identity and goals and visions and everything. Now that program is available. It's a recorded program. I'll put the link in the description and comment. Those of you who are ready to set your goals and vision and identity in a much powerful and deeper way, you can also take that recorded New Year, New You program and set the energy for the whole year. And don't miss out doing this 111 manifestation ritual on 11 Jan, because it is activating your I am energy. And if this video has given you a new perspective, new understanding, powerful energy, then let me know in the comment, because we are creating magic. I am Ajay Mishra, your mentor, guide and coach in your personal transformation. And if you are new here in my video for the very first time, subscribe to the channel and be a part of our manifestation tribe, because I am bringing so many manifestation tools, techniques, process for all of you. See you in the next video. Keep manifesting and don't forget to do this 111 manifestation ritual for sure. Thank you.